Right guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel today. So, you're probably wondering, Luke, why outside Halfords? The reason I'm outside Halfords is because I'm picking up a Halfords 200-piece tool set, which I'm going to be using for myself now, so I can do a lot more install videos, because I'm relying on people at the minute using their tools, like Chris's tools and Barney's tools and things like that, and I want to do it myself. I want to get a Halfords tool set. I've had good things about it. Barney's got one and their lifetime warranty as well, and I'm getting a really good deal. So today's video is going to be, it's going to be so good. Now, you know we needed harnesses for the Mini, right? Down here, I've got a set of OMP 3-point safety harnesses. Now, these are so sexy. I will take them out of the box when we get to the Mini and we're installing them. But for now, we're going to head in, grab this tool set and crack on with the day. So enjoy, guys. There we are, back down at Global. Look at the fucking on, mate. What a day this is. Stunning weather out here. So, I'll go grab the toolbox because we're going to be doing this here. So, this is the one car I wanted to show you. If any of you have been watching on my Instagram or my Snapchat, you've probably seen last week me and Chris, I went up with Chris to go pick this up. Now, it's a Nissan 350Z GTHR, I believe that's what they call it. You can tell it's HR because of this curved like on the bonnet, but it's got we believe these are real genuine Volt Grays wheels, like Nismo wheels, and as you can see the calipers, they have literally just been refurbed. I need to stop saying literally, but yeah, look how nice that is. It's stunning. But this car's available. That's not the price there, that's just Chris, but it's 8,995. It's just over like I think it's like 64,000 miles or something on this. It's got a Cobra exhaust system that sounds insane, but full heated leather. It's got every single option on it, so it'd be silly to miss out on it. But yeah, guys, we're not here to do that today. We're here to get the harnesses, so let's crack on with that. So first things first, let's crack open your whole toolbox and see what we've bought then. Absolutely. It actually weighs quite a fair bit to be fair as well, you know. Look at that. It's the set and boys, 200-piece set. Sick. I might get a lifetime warranty on this as well. Boys, is harnesses. Now I think it was this box that already opened, yeah. Oh, look how fucking Chris, mate, have you seen these? These are so nice, look. Yeah, boy.
Genuine imitations of it?
No, they're genuine actual OMPs. I've got them from the website actually. Chrissy G's, come give me a hand. Got a bill. Oh, Halfords toolkit coming right in, look at that. Yeah, what a beauty. Back of the harnesses strap into where Chris is on doing a bolt to now, and then they go through. And I know before anyone kicks off, you're going to be like, Luke, why are you using it on standard seats? There's no point. Right, guys, I only use the car at weekends anyway. If it was a daily car, then I would understand, but I only use it at weekends anyway, so it's completely fine for the minute until I get bucket seats. I'm not putting it on track actually at the minute until the car's done anyway, so it's just testing it out. It's all new to me. And I had a comment actually in my last video saying, are you actually going to track it, or are you going to be like a wannabe track driver like Jesse? Now, there's no point in like mocking our stock, guys, because if someone wants to make it look like a track car, then they can make it look like a track car. It's up to them at the end of the day, it's their car. But yeah, I am actually going to be going on track because it's the first time I've actually bought like a car like this, and it's something I want to go full pelt on and make it look like a track car and drive like a track car as well. So, with that being in, we've actually gone all out with the OMP harnesses, as you can see. So we're gonna crack on. Right, got to find a way of getting this off. Now, if it's the same as the ones we did the other day, it was a bolt behind there. Hopefully, if I take this off, there should be a bolt behind there. I think it was a T. Yeah, I think it was a T20 or maybe T25, but it is the same bolt in there as last time. Right, what I'm going to start doing is taking down the side bit over here. I'm going to take this side bit out, well not out, well yeah, it's going to actually have to come out. It's all going to have to come out actually. By the looks of it, great. That bit's out. Yeah, the airbag ended up coming out, but we're going to keep that one in. So the bit I need, right, that's got to stay there. I just need a Phillips for that bit there, because that's just the mount that's holding this on. I think that's pretty much it. After that's what's holding this on. This whole back end is going to be stripped out. Where's that handy little BMW flathead thing that turns into a Phillips screwdriver? Guys, Chrissy G from Global knows all the tricks of the trade. Show me this one. Pull this one out, right? Only with BMW and minis. Turns into a fucking Phillips, doesn't he? Let's take this one out. I'm probably going to end up losing that screw now. Right.
Well, it's probably clips in here.
Oh, fuck.
You can do that, mate. I don't want to rip your car apart.
It's literally come off. Oops.
A couple more.
Oh, some more, I don't know.
Don't think they're going back in. I'd leave it out, mate.
I'd leave it out. How's this fucking going to end up coming down here then? Oh! Look at that, mate. This is full stripped out, mate. See how much louder it's going to be in the car now?
Mate, I stripped out 200 quid Beamer.
There's been no sound.
I've stripped out 5 grand BMW, 5 grand Mini, for fuck's sake.
Right guys, so I was sort of thinking about keeping it a bit standing like that, but fuck it, we've gone full race car on this. Full bore. We're gonna hoover this out and then hoover this out, and then literally it is just gonna be 2 bucket seats at the front when I get them and the harnesses. It's gonna be sick. Oh, there's another one down here, mate. Where's that? Where's the old flathead? There it is. These just pop out real easy.
Real easy, mate.
I can't get it. I'm doing this one-handed. There she goes. Right, that's that, mate. Look how much. It's literally fully stripped out. Bit of a, well, I didn't really want to take the seats out, but I think apparently we've got to take the seats out because Chris has found out that the seat belts on the inside are connected to the actual chair itself, so bit of a problemo.
No, it's not. It's just got to take the seat out.
I've just got to take everything out, but it is fully stripped. Look at this. Crazy. Let's give you boys an update as to what's going on. So that side's stripped out, this side's stripped out. I think we'll keep this as it is. Fucking Lego on, man. Bit of a pain in the ass, but we've got to take the seat belts out, so I think we take the chairs out. But we're pretty much there now. We're getting on. That's how it's going to look on the chair for now. Not too bad. I'll tell you what, boys, this car just looks so much different now. So what I'm going to do is, if you can see right there, I'm going to get the end of the harness brace and put it in down there, if you can see it. I'll try and do this. Oh, Dave and Beth have just turned up. So this bit, if I flip the camera around, right here, bolts, I believe. Yeah, literally bolts straight into there, and that is the that is where the harness will stay. So once I've done all this, both sides, and then we start taking out the chairs, I'll record that a bit. So when taking out these mini seats, guys, you've got I think it's a T40 Torx bit. Taking these bolts out, there's one there, one on the other side, and you want to take these ones out first, because I just learnt the hard way. If you take the rear ones out, it won't slide back far enough to take the front ones out. Well, I had them half out, that's the reason why. So I'm gonna get these out quickly. Once they're out, get this front seat out, because the reason I'm doing this is it bolts into where this seat belt is, right here. So that's one I've got to take out. Right, pain in the ass really, but it's got to be done for these harnesses to go in. So let's do it. So this has been doing my head in for ages. I didn't really want it in the car. So if anyone wants to buy this, they're more than welcome to, but I'm just taking it apart at the minute. So all that has to do is this bit comes out here with like a little, I think this is a really small Torx bit, like a T15 or something like that. That comes out, and then you got these are T30 Torx bits to take. There is screws down there, but you have to take them out, so it's just literally these 3 here and it bolts straight in, and then happy days. But if you want it, you can have it. I don't want it. Bit of an update as to what's going on. So I'm gonna have this, so it goes over and then under, I think. So, and then I've now got it attached in down there, fine. What I have had to do with the old seat belt is for now to unplug it and put it underneath, because otherwise it's just going to cause me problems, because I don't want to start cutting stuff out until I get bucket seats. But I'll put everything back together, bolt this side down there, I believe it goes, and then all should be golden. Look at this then. That's the front ones in, all done up. I've put it like so it goes over and under like that, as you can see. I know some people have the straps, so they like cross over like on these sort of bits, but for now, so I'm running standard seats, I'm not going crazy because it's fine. But that's how that first one looks. I'm just starting to undo the second seat underneath there. So once I've done all that, guys, I will finish off the video. Probably I'll just show you what it looks like fully. I know there'll be people kicking off about me having standard seats and using fan seats. I've only used the car at weekend, and like, I haven't got the money to get bucket seats at the minute, so until I do, it's fine for the car. I'm only using it today, and then that's it for like probably a week or two. So don't stress, guys, it'll be fine. Seats out on the second one. Now this bolt's got to come out down there. I think it's a T40, I believe. Might be sitting there. T45, that's it. That's the one, I believe so. Anyway. No, that's a bit loose. Where have I put it? T50, that's it. That's the one, T50. So that goes straight in like that, and then you take this out, and then what I've done is I've took that sensor off, and for now just put the rest of it underneath, just because I don't want to play around with it in case I ever do sell the seats and stuff like that. Don't want to go taking wires out and things. So I'm going to detach that now, put the other harness seat belt in there because it goes in that bolt right there, and then I will pretty much bolt it all back in and it'll be done. Boys, they're done, boys and girls. I mean, they are done. We're both strapped in.
I'm not.
Proper, well, she's not at the minute, but they're proper tight. I'm not going anywhere. 3-point harnesses. They're good for road and they're good for track. So this is the reason why I got 3-point of this, because if I had like 4 or 5-point harnesses, it's beneficial just for pure track cars, really. It's just a lot easier for me if I'm using this as a road car and a track car to have 3-point harnesses, and then being OMP as well. They've got FIA approved, I believe that's what they call it. So yeah, that's it guys, all done. Don't follow this as a professional install video because I was learning as I go. Chris helped me out at the beginning, and then after that, pretty much 70% of it, I smashed it out by myself. Well, gave it a go. It took me ages anyway. But that helpers tool set really helped me out, and yeah, I'm really happy with how these turned out, guys. So next thing, because I know you're going to be kicking off about me running them with standard seats. It will be bucket seats, so don't worry, guys. They will come in the future, and we've got big plans coming after that. So the mini build's coming on real nice. Thanks for all the support at the minute, guys. I'm really appreciating it. You're all like turning towards mini now, and you're saying, Luke, you've turned this car into like a really nice car. I didn't think about it at first. I thought it was horrible, but now it's looking really nice. So I appreciate those comments. I knew I'd send you all a few of them anyway now. Hopefully I've inspired you all to get like a mini as well. So that's all done. At the back, you can see we're all stripped out proper now. Getting full race car, guys. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching as always. Check out my social media in the description down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that bell button to be notified every single time I upload, and smash the thumbs up button as well, guys. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.